So what you saying, Mr. Henry? Good, good. I just coming from up, sir. I spray my callaloo yesterday. So by next Monday, I should be able to rape. So them can't pick same time? No, sir. That dangerous for you, man. The chemicals will kill you. How they hack them? I see your trees bearing heavy. Yes. I see it too, you know. The pads them just need to open up a little bit more. Boy, I tell you, I can't wait. I'm going to make some good money off of this crap, yeah, man. Yes. Highly blessed still, you know. Yes, my hygiene. Jenny and her sister. Lady, come! Lovely ackee, fresh callaloo, all organic, no chemicals, low price. Come now. Lady, over here, come and get your fresh greens.
Mr. Henry was right. You're not supposed to eat callaloo when them just spray